Are you preparing for the OPRA exam to become a registered pharmacist in Australia or New Zealand? I'm your name from Pharmalytics. Many international students struggle with OPRA, not because they lack knowledge, but due to avoidable mistakes. Today, I'll reveal the 5 most common pitfalls and how to sidestep them. This journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Preparation is everything. Let's break down these mistakes and set you up for success. Let's get started. Mistake number 1. Ignoring the exam format. Too many candidates treat OPRA like a typical university test and get blindsided. The OPRA exam has 2 papers, Pharmaceutical Sciences and Therapeutics, on the same day, each with its own time limit and focus. You need to manage your energy and time for both. Download the official candidate guide from the APC website. It's your rulebook. Build your study plan around the guide's structure and topic weightings. Focus on what's actually tested, not just memorizing facts. Prioritize clinical judgment and patient counseling, not obscure drug details. Don't study hard and miss the point. Study smart by knowing the format. Start with the format, and you'll already be ahead. Mistake 2. Using outdated or irrelevant resources. Pharmacy practice evolves. Old textbooks or notes can lead you astray. Use the latest Australian Medicines Handbook, AMH, and Australian Pharmaceutical Formulary, APF. Supplement with therapeutic guidelines, ETG, and check state-specific laws. Audit your materials. Are they current and Australian-specific? International textbooks are fine for basics, but always cross-reference with local resources. Invest in up-to-date materials. Don't risk your exam on outdated info. The right resources make all the difference. Mistake 3. Neglecting MCQ practice. Reading isn't enough. The exam tests your ability to apply knowledge under pressure. Practice MCQs daily, simulating real exam conditions with a timer. Focus on clinical scenarios and learn to spot the best answer, not just a correct one. Review every question, especially your mistakes. This is where real learning happens. Analyze why you got questions wrong and fill those gaps. Build your speed, stamina, and confidence through regular practice. MCQ rehearsal is essential for OPRA success. Mistake 4. Cramming at the last minute. OPRA requires deep understanding, not just memorization. Cramming leads to stress and shallow learning. Create a structured study plan. Spread your prep over at least 6-8 weeks, ideally longer. Break the syllabus into manageable chunks and review topics regularly. Use spaced repetition to move knowledge into long-term memory. Schedule practice exams and rest days to consolidate learning. Consistent, planned study beats last-minute panic every time. Mistake 5. Trying to do it all alone. Studying in isolation is tough and unnecessary. Join or form a study group. Discussing concepts helps everyone learn. Use online forums and social media groups for support and answers. Don't hesitate to attend expert-led courses or workshops for structure and strategy. Asking for help is smart, not weak. It fills gaps and keeps you motivated. Build your support network now. It'll help you pass and grow your career. Collaboration is key to OPRA success. Let's recap. Know the exam format, use current resources, practice MCQs, plan your study, and seek support. Tackle these 5 areas and you'll transform your OPRA prep. It's about working smart, not just hard. Share your challenges in the comments and check out our free OPRA mock test below. Thanks for watching. Every step you take brings you closer to registration. This is your name from Pharmalytics, helping you prepare smarter for OPRA. See you in the next video.